How to reset your TradingView chart to default. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can reset your chart view to default on TradingView. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you messed up with the indicators and the drawings a little bit. It's a bit hard for you to understand on tradingview.com website. And then you want to simply go ahead and then reset this chart. It's very simple to do that. To do that, if you look closely at the bottom left hand side, you'll find this little trash icon, right? Do not click on the trash icon, but here you'll also find another option, which is this arrow icon over here. So if you just click on that arrow icon, you'll find options such as remove drawings, remove indicators, and remove drawings and indicators, right? So all you have to do is just select the option called remove drawings and indicators. When you do that, all of the drawings and indicators will be reset to default, which you see right over here. So after you do this is one way to do it. The other thing you can also do is, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find this little gear icon, which is the settings icon. When you click on it, it will basically tell you about your chart properties. So just click on this option. When you click on this option over here, this pop-up will open up. From the bottom, you'll find the option called template. Just select the template option over here, and then you'll find the option called apply defaults. So just go ahead and select apply defaults, and then just click on the OK button. Once you've done that, you would have successfully reset it to default. This is how you can reset your TradingView chart to default. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.